It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. The train was so much fun. Although a lot of people were asking me, Bonnie, what is the price of the train? I thought I said the price. Did I not say the price? If I didn't, I meant to. The train is $150. Yes, it is pricey, but I gotta say, it is gorgeous. So I'm super happy I got the train. So when I was in the store today, I also exchanged my Luminous perfume. Remember I got the tester? I'm like, oh my gosh, I am such a goofball. I also put a little bling on. I put my Avon bling on. I was going to do a Halloween video, but I'm like, I'm not changing out of my Star Wars Christmas sweater. So I've got Luminous, and then I'm going to talk about Kringle Candle. I got the Mercury jars. So we're just doing Christmas today. I'm calling it. So the new Luminous perfume. I got to do a full review. This is like a little first impression here. It's beautiful. I gotta say, I love the box. The box is really nice. There's nice little brocade on the top. And I'm gonna do this right this time. Look at this! You open it up and it like all falls apart. And look, this is so pretty. So this would make a gorgeous gift. I gotta say, the gifting quotient on this one is very high. I gotta say, I like it. The scent notes in this one are, it's funny because it says Radiant Rich Luxe. It does smell Radiant Rich and Luxe. The scent notes are Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. I feel like there's like a split on people who love this one and people who think it smells like Aunt Edna's closet. I don't know. I'm actually liking Luminous. I like the bottle. Check it out. You get the little kind of gemstone bling there. And I actually haven't sprayed the actual perfume. I had the mini. I wish there was a little bit more gold on the bottle. I actually kind of like this. Look, that looks pretty, but I like it. I do. I don't know, because you know me, I'm not like an In the Stars girl. I'm not super crazy about Pure Wonder, but I like Dream Bright. Dream Bright was a good one for Christmas. I do. You're the One has grown on me. By the way, You're the One is coming back in like this brand new packaging. I think it's called the Tufted Collection for Christmas. It's going to be Dark Kiss. It's going to be Dahlia, which I think this smells like. Does anyone else get Dahlia from this? I get like totally full on Dahlia. It's pretty strong too. I gotta say, I don't know. There's something about the bottle that's like really pretty. I just really like this. I think it's nice. It's going to be a nice addition to my Bath and Body Works perfume collection. I love the box. There's something like pretty like when you open the box and it just like falls open. I don't know. So I think this is going to be popular. I don't know, unless you just can't get over. There's a little bit of powderiness to the scent that maybe a lot of people won't like. I'm not sure. The rest of the collection, of course, is really, really blingy. I gotta say, I love the gold. I wish they had put a little bit more, like I said, gold. I mean, the inside of the box, of course, is gold. But I like the gold brocade. That is like kind of my thing. I like that style. I wish they had made the inside of the box to match the top. I think that would have been really a nice, classy upgrade. But overall, I think it's nice. The perfume is $59.95. I think they're going to be selling a lot of these. I like it. I like it. I actually got a lot of compliments. I've been wearing this in the mini. A lot of people have said how much they like it. So, you know, as Black Friday rolls around, Cyber Monday, we're probably going to be having a lot of sales. Actually, if you were to do buy three, get three on these, you could have a whole nice set of Christmas gifts this year for like everyone on your list. Not a bad idea, especially if you mix and match the perfumes. If you get like the right price point, and you do buy three, get three, and you have like a 25% off coupon, that's actually not a bad deal, because then the perfumes come down to like, you know, 20 some odd dollars, and it makes a nice gift. So I will be doing a lot of those types of deals, talking about everything as we move into the holiday season. I gotta say, I think my favorite packaging though is on the bar soap. I don't know, this just looks like totally luxurious and beautiful. So anyway, that is my first impression on the Luminous. This will be back. I'll be talking about it more as we go into the holiday season. And we have some sales because you're going to want to wait for a sale. The shower gel $16.95. That's a lot. Anyway, I'm moving on with Christmas. I'm so excited. I got another Christmas video. I see you guys later. Bye-bye.